Hi, this is Jose with Howstuffinmycarworks.com. Today's video is about how to change the oil and oil filter on a 2000 Mercedes Benz C230 Sport. The first thing you want to do is drive your vehicle up on ramps. Once the vehicle is up on ramps, make sure it's in park, set the emergency brake, and if possible, make sure you have some wheel chucks behind the rear tires for safety. The next step is to locate and remove the 4 screws that hold the cover in place and remove the cover. Place the drain pan underneath the car, remove the oil drain plug, and drain the oil. Make sure you don't spill it everywhere. While the oil is draining, you can proceed to remove the oil filter, which is located behind the thermostat housing, right here in this location. Use a special oil filter wrench, just like this one. Remove the oil seal. The new filter has a new seal. Make sure you install the new one on. Coat the seal with a little bit of the used oil that you just took off. There's only one way to install the filter. You cannot install it wrong. It goes this way down. You could install it wrong. Install the filter. Install the cover back on. You're going to cross-thread it, so you're going to be able to install it almost all the way by hand. You're only going to need the ratchet to give it the final. Don't over tighten it, you don't want to break it. Once it's tight, remove the wrench. Remove the oil cap. Once you're done installing the filter, make sure you install the oil drain plug and tighten it up. You don't want to lose, you don't want it to come off and lose all your oil, damage your engine. Mercedes-Benz suggests that you only use Mobil 1 synthetic oil. And if you're concerned about warranties or the longevity of your engine, then you probably want to go ahead and use Mobil 1 synthetic. I have been using Quaker State conventional for 100,000 miles, and I leave it 5,000 miles between oil changes, and I haven't had any issues whatsoever. My vehicle already has 200,000 miles, meaning when I bought it, more likely it had synthetic, but I've been using just regular Quaker State 1030 for 100,000 miles. It's up to you. You can go ahead and use this oil if your car no longer has a warranty, or you can go ahead and use Mobil 1. Once you're done adding the 5 quarts of oil, start your engine and watch for leaks. If there are no leaks, go ahead and install the cover back on. Once you lower the vehicle to the ground, turn the engine off, let it sit for about a minute, and check the engine oil level. It's very likely it's going to need 1 more quart. Usually it takes about 6 quarts of oil. On the description of this video, I have a link that gives you more detailed information that you need to know when changing the oil. It shows you the level of service 1 and level of service 2, and it gives you more recommendations about what other items to check when you're changing the oil. I don't want to add them to this video because it's going to make the video very long. Make sure you click on the link, and that way you can review that information. If you don't have the tools needed to do this job, make sure you visit our online store. The link is located at the right top corner of our channel. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.